here I have Poco X4 GT, and today I'm going to show you how to change time-lapse duration on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then switch to the more modes, select time-lapse, then tap on this icon here, and here you can change its duration. So you can set it on 10 minutes and also on 240 minutes and else. So yeah, so you have the actual time and also the time how long this time-lapse video will take. So yeah, or you can just set it to be unlimited by tapping on this icon here. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.